In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events in Google Calendar. This is a powerful tool for managing your time effectively, allowing you to keep track of appointments, meetings, tasks, and more with ease. Whether you're a seasoned Google Calendar user or a beginner just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you get the most out of your calendar. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Calendar website. Simply open your web browser and type in Google Calendar in the search bar. Click on the first result that appears. This will direct you to the Google Calendar login page. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Enter your email address in the designated field and then click on the Next button. Afterward, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take care to input it correctly and then proceed by clicking Next once more. This sequence ensures your account is both secure and ready to access the Google Calendar service. Upon successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Google Calendar. Now, it's time to create an event. Look for the Create button on your dashboard, usually prominently displayed, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, select the Event option. This is where you'll begin entering the details of your new event. First, give your event a title. Be as descriptive as you can so that you can easily identify it later. Next, it's time to schedule your event, Quotient. Click on the date and time zone settings. Here you have the opportunity to set the exact date and time for your event. Ensure that the time zone is correct, especially if you're dealing with attendees from different regions. If needed, you can set the event to repeat on a regular schedule, such as weekly or monthly. Once you've filled in these details, click on the chosen date and time. This confirms the schedule for your event. At this point, you might want to add extra information, such as location details or a brief description, especially if other attendees will join. You can also invite others by adding their email addresses. Finally, when all the necessary details are included, click on the Save button. This action saves your event to Google Calendar. Congratulations, you've successfully created an event. Your event is now visible on your calendar, and any invited guests will receive notifications about it. By following these steps, you can manage your schedule effortlessly, ensuring you never miss an important date. Remember, Google Calendar offers a variety of customization options, so feel free to explore and adapt it to your specific needs. Happy planning, and until next time.